In today's video, I will walk you through how to share a YouTube video during a Zoom meeting. Start by getting your YouTube video ready in your web browser. Open the video you want to share. Let it load completely, and then pause it at the exact point where you want playback to begin. Having the video ready before you start sharing helps make the process smoother, since you won't need to switch between tabs while your meeting is in progress. Once your video is prepared, return to your Zoom meeting. On the meeting toolbar, click the Share button. This is usually located along the bottom of the meeting window. If you don't see the toolbar, simply move your mouse over the Zoom window and it should appear again. Clicking Share will open a window that displays the available screens and application windows you can share with everyone in the meeting. From the list of available options, select the browser window that has your YouTube video open. Make sure you choose the specific browser window instead of your entire screen. Selecting only the browser window keeps the focus on the video and limits what participants can see during the presentation. Before you begin sharing, look for the Share Sound option on the right side of the sharing window and make sure it is enabled. This setting sends your computer's audio directly through Zoom, so everyone in the meeting can hear the video sound clearly along with the picture. If this option is not turned on, participants may only see the video without hearing its audio. Before playing the video, also check your computer's volume and make sure it is set to a comfortable listening level. This helps ensure the audio is played back at an appropriate volume for everyone in the meeting. After you've confirmed the correct browser window is selected and Share Sound is enabled, start sharing. Once the browser window is visible to everyone, use the full screen button on the YouTube player to switch the video into full screen mode. This gives participants a larger view of the video and removes unnecessary distractions from the browser window. When everything is ready, play the video. Your participants will be able to watch the YouTube video and hear its audio through Zoom just as you do. If you plan to speak before the video begins, briefly let your audience know what they're about to watch before starting playback. Then play the video when you're ready. If you need to pause the video or move to a different point, use the controls directly in the YouTube player. Any pauses or changes you make there will be reflected for everyone watching the shared screen. That's all there is to it. Following these steps allows everyone in the meeting to watch the video and hear the audio clearly through Zoom. Thank you for watching.